How to make and create ID card on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create ID card on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design and search for ID card. Click on the first option. Now here it will take you here. You have many templates, as you can see, for example this one, and you can now edit the photo, the text and all those information. As you can see, everything can be edited right here. After you finish editing your template, you can click share and download. It's so easy, and you can do this with all those templates here. This one too looks so professional. You can change the picture, the text and this stuff like this. As you can see, you can change the colors if you want. After you finish editing your template, as I said, click share, download. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.